CLS OEM is a facility that really promotes horsepower development, technical development, modification, racing. So CLS OEM, trade name being CLS Powerful Cars, being a very, very close partner to Neo Motorsport. We are incredibly excited to see the 2014 Mazda 3 performance suspension kit ready for road use, but we're also super excited to see it on track. So what we did was, first of all, we made sure that that we had a ride height measurement of the original curb height of the vehicle as it's set at the factory. Made sure that the suspension being preloaded was exactly where we wanted it to be. We then hoisted the vehicle up, removed the wheels, preloaded the suspension, removed all the suspension gently because it is preloaded at that point, and we physically took all of the OE suspension out of the 2014 Mazda 3. We then took the preload adjustments to all of the coilovers, made sure they were exactly within spec, what we expected them to be from the factory, from Neo Motorsport, from the design of Neo Motorsport. And we did some factory settings on the bench, installed them onto the vehicle, lowered the vehicle, took a complete adjustment measurement, and then did a second adjustment, made sure we had the proper curb height in the new stance measurement, and the car was ready for an alignment, and it was ready to go.